Today we have a video from Arrested on Cam, and the title of the video is Furious Sovereign Citizen Claims Officers Are Harassing Him, Goes to Jail.
What do you mean, what am I doing?
Fucking harassment, dude. You guys...
Harassment?
You guys are sitting there...
Roll your window all the way down.
No, I don't...
Roll your window down.
No.
This is a stop. You're going to roll your window down. If not, I'm going to take you out of the car.
It's the emergency.
Roll your window down. If not, I'm going to take you out of the car.
Okay, man.
Okay? You ran that stop sign coming out of the racetrack.
Ran
all right?
the stop sign.
Roll your window down. Get your hands out from in between your legs. Get your hands out. Roll the window down or I'm going to take you out of the car. Right now, you're giving me furtive movements. You're reaching in between your legs and you're not getting out of the car.
You guys are harassing me.
Get out.
Dude.
Get out of the car.
For what? Dude.
Stop.
This is harassment, dude.
Do not.
For what? What crime did I commit?
Get out of the car.
What crime
Stop.
did I commit?
Get out of the car.
What crime did I commit? That's it. Your qualified immunity is gone, man.
Get out. Get out of the car.
You guys are violating my fucking rights, dude. Oh my fucking god. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Wow. You guys are fucking pieces of shit.
Get over here. Get over here. Get up against the car. Get up against the car. Spread your feet.
Harassing me.
Spread your feet.
Oh, you're fucking really bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I'm fucking lawfully.
That's why you're reaching into the seat, are you?
What?
Come here. Come here.
Dude, you guys are fucking. This is harassment.
Make sure you don't have anything else in your pockets.
That's a felony for you to fucking use your lights when it's not an emergency.
Sit down. Where's your ID at?
My ID?
Yeah, where's your ID at?
You're under arrest for obstruction.
Yeah.
For obstruction?
Yeah,
What's
for
the first
resisting.
offense? That's the second offense.
Hey, you got a gun in here too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Hello? What am I originally arrested for?
What are you, sovereign?
Sovereign?
Yeah.
Why? Because I fucking know the law?
Well, I'm just asking you, sovereign citizen?
No, you guys are fucking sovereign citizens. You think the law don't apply to you?
The law applies to everybody.
Yeah. Okay, so what am I originally arrested for?
So you were stopped for a traffic violation. All right.
What's that?
A traffic violation?
What did I get stopped for?
You said you ran the stop sign leaving racetrack.
No, I didn't.
So that would be a traffic violation.
Oh,
Okay. Then you refuse to roll your window down and step out of the
I
car.
don't have to by law.
By law, you have to step out of your vehicle when
No,
you're
I
ordered
don't.
to. Yes, you do.
No.
It's
Show me
case
the law.
It's
Show
case
me the
law.
statute.
I'm not showing
Case
you.
law?
Yeah, it's case law.
Because you don't fucking know. That's why.
Pennsylvania versus Mims. Look it up.
Okay.
I'm not looking it up for you. So
Whatever, dude.
you can look it up on your own time.
Yeah, all right.
But
Violate my rights. What you doing? I will be going after your bond. Qualified immunity, John. That should be fine.
that's fine.
That's fine. Okay. I see you sitting across at the bank waiting for me to leave. And then when I went to pull out the first time, I seen you leave, like, start driving to come fucking chase me, so I parked. And that's not harassment?
What's the problem? Is the problem that we caught you?
Caught me
that what it
doing
is?
what?
Is that what it is? You don't have a license.
You're going out of the...
You don't have a license.
You don't need a license.
You don't need a
Hey,
license to drive.
he's sovereign.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
He's a sovereign, dude.
You guys don't know the problem. You guys got nothing better to do. Fucking ridiculous, man. Over a stop sign. Was he a new cop? Fucking douchebag. What am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested for? Nothing? Got nothing? What am I being arrested for?
We already told you obstruction and driving without a valid license.
Obstruction's a second offense. What's the first?
Driving without a valid license.
Oh, so you knew that when you pulled me over, huh? Huh? How are you gonna know that when you pulled me over? I thought it was running a stop sign.
Yeah, that's why we stopped you. That's a traffic offense.
That's not a fucking
The
crime.
criminal offense is driving without a license.
It's not a crime.
Yeah, it is to drive without a license.
It's fucking ridiculous, man.
This is your world. We just live in it, right?
Dude, you just go out of your way to do this shit.
It's my job. It's my job. Yeah.
You don't even know the fucking law.
Take people off the road for committing crimes.
That's it. Okay.
It's my job.
Yeah, that's a fucking crime.
Take me for.
You hold that for a second.
See? That's why he was reaching in between his legs.
Well, it was underneath the.
Oh, was it?
Center console.
Okay.
I had good visual on his hands. He's just being a sovereign. That's all. Some hot fries. You want a hot fry?
Nah. It doesn't agree.
When did this whole sovereign citizen thing even become a thing? Like, I don't even know about, like, I just started hearing about this a few years ago, and people wanted to, I don't know if it's actually a real thing or not, like, if people are sovereign citizens, but I just know it never works out for them. Like, never works out for them in court or anything. It's just, I really don't get it. Like, what's so hard about getting a driver's license and getting car insurance and making sure you're valid? But no, instead, you would rather not get any of those things, and then every time you get stopped, you just have a whole bunch of court fees. Like, that really doesn't even make sense to me. Because these sovereign citizens or whatever, they don't beat these things in court. They never do. So I don't know.
With my stomach.
You
That and sovereign citizens.
you're Spanish, dude. You should love hot fries. And no, it's not racist.
No, it's okay.
I love hot fries.
It's okay. I didn't take any offense to it. Did you see my little trick with the handcuffs?
Nah,
You didn't notice
I
it?
missed it.
Grab the hand, put the handcuff on. Use the handcuff as a grip. I'm sorry? Yeah, I'm sorry. What are you saying? I couldn't hear you.
No, you can't get the story straight.
No, I already told you what it was.
Obstruction.
Obstruction.
Yeah, that's the second.
Driving without a license. First offense.
Okay.
Running a stop sign. Traffic offense. Why we stopped you. No, it's okay. It's your world. It's your world. We just live in it.
Waiting for me.
It's your world. We just live in it.
It's your world. We just live in it. These guys are funny. I think they're pretty funny. Yeah, man. Like I said, I really don't understand this whole sovereign citizen thing. I don't see what's so wrong about, being like everybody else and just get a driver's license. What's not only get a driver's license, make sure it's valid. Okay? Not only get a driver's license, you gotta make sure it's valid now. I don't get it. Because every time you get stopped, you're just going to pay a whole bunch of court fees. And you're probably going to get stopped a lot. Because a lot of people are driving around with no tags, no this, no that. They just got this whole bunch of paperwork that they just printed off of like a printer or whatever. And, a whole bunch of random documents that they made up on Google Docs or something. And like, I'm traveling. Like, what the hell does that even mean? Oh, I'm not driving, I'm traveling. Be like, what? Okay. Well, travel your ass on down to the courthouse, all right? This is where you go travel to, okay? Travel your ass up inside of these handcuffs, man. Anyways, man, I think the cops did a good job. They get a 5, Get up out the car, man. You don't want to get out the car? All right, bet. Gonna get you together. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.